So what's the one thing a lawyer would tell you not to do if you get in trouble with the law? Well, stay tuned and I'll let you know. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all of those places are the last place in the world you should go if you get in trouble with the law. And the reason for that is because there is this tendency among people who break the law to want to explain, to want to tell their friends about how badly they were treated. And you can't do that without giving away something, some set of facts that hurts your case. There is a reason you have a right to remain silent. There is an even bigger reason why you should execute that right and not say anything. And I don't mean just like this on a video. I mean not say anything in writing anytime, anywhere about what happened. Several weeks ago, someone posted a query on Quora about whether or not the government would drop charges if his spouse declined to testify in a domestic violence case. Essentially, what this asks is, if I can intimidate my spouse into not testifying, can I get away with it? And I guarantee you that if a prosecutor found that and could trace it back to the person who was arrested, that would be used against him in trial. And it would certainly be used against him at the bail hearing, because if there is a bail hearing, and there would certainly be a second bail hearing if bail had already been granted, there would be another attempt to revoke that bail, because what it looks like is somebody's attempting to intimidate a witness. And that would be obstruction of justice. Anytime you have a legal problem that involves the state in terms of the police or the federal government, in terms of the FBI or some other investigative agency, anytime you have that kind of a problem, you should immediately stop posting anything on social media. You should remember that anything you say can and will be used against you, and not just on social media, but things you say to friends, things you say to family members. The only people that it is safe to talk to about what happened are your priest or your spiritual advisor and your lawyer. Those two have privileges and can't be compelled to testify against you. In many states, a doctor can't be compelled to testify against you. However, in Alabama, for example, there is no physician privilege, so a physician can be compelled to testify against you. All these things are things that most people don't know. There is a tendency to try to explain yourself when something bad happens to you. Resist the temptation. The jail sentence you save may very well be your own. If you found this helpful, I hope you'll smash that like button and maybe click on the notification bell so that you'll get a notification anytime we post a video here. Thank you, and I hope you have a terrific day.